SensorUp provides GEMS, Gas Emission Management Solution. It's a cloud and AI platform for methane emissions reduction. Today's methane detection and repair typically using 1 or 2 sensor networks. However, the real solution must use multi-sensors. From the space all the way to the ground, space sensors, air sensors, drones, ground, and triggering action and dispatch somebody to fix them. However, today, they are like a disorganized. It's a complex ecosystem, which is very, very difficult to streamline it. There's where we come in. GEMS, put them all together, integrate multi-sensor systems so that we can detect early, we can fix them early, and then we can quantify them accurately. For methane emissions detection, there are many different sensor companies, and they try to beat the sensor to do a detection early and fix them. However, we are different than them because we are a multi-sensor solution. We make each different system shine, so we can have a better solution. For methane emissions reduction, you can only improve what you measure. And we put all different sensors together so you can do it better. And we recently raised a round from Climate Investment. And then part of the round, they bring in a flagship customer, Oxy, Occidental Petroleum. So right now, Oxy is operationalized their whole methane emissions reduction using SensorUp Cloud. And other customers, we have TC Energy, for example, in Canada. And then we are expanding to the world in the next year. So for example, one day, our customers, their ground sensor detect the methane emissions early. And 2 hours later, their fly sensor detected the methane emissions as well. And then by combining all together, we can use the most accurate reading from these 2 sensor systems because they never agree with each other. However, we can also know the start time of the mission. So instead of using 6 months back as the quantification time, the T start, and we can use 2 hours. In this way, we are able to detect early, and then we can repair them early because we know the root cause. In this case, we can prevent unnecessary trips, and that's operational excellence. SensorUp GEMS is designed for any oil and gas companies around the world, onshore and offshore. Today, we have customers in North America, but in next year, we're expanding to Europe and Middle East. Alberta is one of the best places in the world to start a clean tech, high-tech company. Number one, we have the industry to support it, the oil and gas industry. Number two, we have the regulation to help us to innovate within the regulation. And number three is the ecosystem is great. We have great talent in both cities. When I started the company, it is a research project in the university. I'm a professor. But with the ecosystem support, we're able to raise money, commercialize the technology, find a customer, and find a very important problem to solve. But at the core, our technology is a geospatial Internet of Things cloud. Today, we start from methane emissions reduction. But tomorrow, we're going to expand to any physical operations require multi-sensors. And we want to be that geospatial IoT platform to improve safety, visibility, predictions, and operational excellence.